Installing the support framing and bracket for the KOHLER Real Rain overhead panel. This video is intended as a supplement. Before beginning the installation, read the installation and care instructions packed with your product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instructions. This video will show one possible ceiling configuration. Adapt the instructions to fit your specific application. For installations to concrete or solid walls, use in-wall anchors to secure all supports. A dropped ceiling is required in the shower area where this product is to be installed. To begin, use 2x4s to build support framing to mount the bracket. Mount the support framing so it is level. If possible, KOHLER Company recommends mounting the 2x4s flush with the face of the ceiling joists. Dry fit the bracket to the support so the edges are parallel to the shower wall. Orient the inlet pipe hole so the water supply can be easily connected. Mark the location of the bracket in the inlet pipe hole, then set the bracket aside. Connect the drop ear elbow to the water supply. Ensure the drop ear elbow is lined up with the marks for the inlet pipe hole. Then secure the elbow to the ceiling joists. Next, connect a 3/8 inch copper inlet pipe, approximately 12 inches long, to the drop ear elbow. Slide the bracket around the inlet pipe and line it up with the marks you made earlier. Ensure the bracket is still straight and parallel with the walls. Then secure the bracket using at least 2 number 8 1.5 inch screws in each corner. Any 2 of the 4 holes in each corner can be used. Construct a dropped ceiling between 4 and 4.5 inches down in the shower area. Build the dropped ceiling around an 18 1/8 by 18 1/8 inch square centered around the bracket. Ensure these dimensions are within plus or minus 1/8 inch. Trim the copper inlet pipe so it is 1 1/4 inches above the face of the finished ceiling. Finally, deburr and clean the inlet pipe. This will ensure a watertight connection when installing the Real Rain panel.